Hi guys, so I'm in Pottery Barn. I'm doing a little trip today. I'm going to Pottery Barn, Crate and Barrel in West Elm, and I'm looking for things that are non-animal based for clients. So one of the hardest things to find retail for me that's comfortable and meets all our comfort and ethical standards are sofas. So I came to Pottery Barn and they have one sofa, just one sofa, and there are hundreds of sofas that they sell. There is one sofa that is completely non-animal based, and it's this one, and it's a great sofa actually. It's got a really deep seat, which is nice, and it's long and it's super cushy, like really cushy. There's no down or wool or silk or anything in this sofa. So I like it very much. The negative about it is that, with Pottery Barn, all their colors are very neutral in their upholstery. So if you're looking for a really bright color or a strong color, or I was looking for some emerald colors actually, like the greens, the deep blues, the burgundies, you're not going to find it here. But you can get a sofa like this in a neutral color and then just add lots of pops of color in your pillows and things like that. So this is our first stop. Pottery Barn sofa, one sofa in the whole line. Just to show you how short-sighted retail giants can be. This is a new sofa by Pottery Barn. I got really excited because it's called the Cloud Sofa, and it is so comfortable. The cushions are memory foam. However, the back cushions are made with down. So for someone like myself who's looking for something that's completely non-animal based, it's like meets 50% of my demands. Why not just make the back cushion memory foam too? I just don't get it. So frustrating. And by the way, that other sofa I was talking about is called the PB Comfort one, the one that's completely non-animal based. So frustrating. Onward. Now I'm in West Elm, and I have to say there's a lot more options here for non-animal based sofas and upholstery goods than in Pottery Barn. I found this one sofa called the Dalton sofa, which I think is really great. It has many different configurations as far as size. It's non-animal based, and I have to say it's pretty cushy. Look, it's not as cushy as that memory foam one at Pottery Barn, but this one is completely non-animal based. And also they have a lot more fabric options with color. So look, they have this color, which is a performance velvet, which is a cotton polyester, meaning that it's more durable. You want to try to look for performance fabrics if you have dogs and kids. They have this beautiful mustard color, this beautiful olive color. So I really like this sofa a lot. And again, I feel like West Elm has a lot more options for sofas and upholstered goods. Crate and Barrel next. Oh wait, I have one bed to show you here at West Elm that I think is really great. Behind me is the Lana bed. It's really beautiful, and it has beautiful slim legs. It's very high-end looking, and the prices in West Elm are a lot more affordable than a Pottery Barn or a Crate and Barrel. And I really love this bed. It's kind of got like that French wingtip look to it. And again, you can use the great colors that they have here. So you could do the bed again in something like this, in the burnt orange, or this deep green velvet, the same fabrics I was showing you before, or the mustard, or you could do it in any other color. But I think this bed is gorgeous, and I think it's about $1,800 for a king, which is a really great price.